Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. How are you guys doing today? So before we get into that amazing box of goodies, let's hear from the Word of God. And today I'm speaking to you from 1 Corinthians 13, verses 1, all the way down to the very first portion of verse 8. Though I speak with the tongues of men and of angels, but have not love, I have become a sounding brass or a clanging cymbal. And though I have the gift of prophecy and understand all mysteries and all knowledge, and though I have all faith so that I can remove mountains, but I have not love, I am nothing. And though I bestow all of my goods to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burned, but have not love, it profits me nothing. Love suffers long and is kind. Love does not envy. Love does not parade itself. It is not puffed up. It does not behave rudely. It does not seek its own. It is not provoked. It thinks no evil. Does not rejoice in iniquity, but rejoices in the truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. Love never fails. Look, I'm really dealing with so many things in my personal life that it is absolutely overwhelming. And the one thing I can say, and I'm not here to judge anybody else. I'm here to encourage and edify you guys and build you guys up and just speak the truth to you in love. But one thing I can say is that I handle things in love. I have literally been pushed to like my breaking point where people are concerned, and I still respond in love. I do not attack. I do not repay evil for evil. I do not slander. I am certainly not perfect, but I am talking about a consistent way of life. I am talking about somebody who has this embedded in their heart. All of us are going to make mistakes, but I am dealing with something really tough in my family. And I was coming up against something in the Lord. I said to my husband, I said, I don't understand why I continually give way. I continually just give these people these places, and all they do is the same thing over and over. It's lie and verbally abuse and attack my walk. They do everything. And my husband said to me, he goes, honey, it's because you always choose to see the best in everybody. He's all because you live your life in hope. He's all, you always hope. You are always hoping that this is going to be the event, the time that it changes, that it's going to be resolved, that everything is worked out. And he's all, that is not a bad thing. That's what love is. And that's what made me think of this scripture today. You know, if the Lord came right now, could you honestly say that with the people that are your neighbors, and when the Bible talks about your neighbors, it's not just the people that live next to you, it's the people that are in your life. Can they say you are someone who walks in love? Would they say that about you? And I really encourage you to just check your heart and then just simply make the adjustment. It is that simple. All we have to do is ask for the Lord to forgive us where we've missed it, and He remembers it no more. And then do better today, and do better tomorrow, and then try to do better the next day. And that's all we can do. So, you guys saw that huge box. I actually already put it on the floor because I am not kidding. It weighs a tonnage. It was very heavy for me to lift up, so I took this stuff out, with exception to one thing, which I forgot and put down there. But the Fab Fit Fun box always looks beautiful when you open it up. It has beautiful tissue. It is sealed with a little sticker. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It comes with this little magazine. This is Venus Williams. Wow, beautiful skin, but I know what cameras do for people, so You know, I'm not saying she doesn't have beautiful skin, but wow, the picture is absolutely stunning. She's a gorgeous lady. Tells you a little bit about what you can trade, what you can do in here, the options of what you could have chose for certain things. So like here's what's in the box. So let's turn to the first page. So the first thing is this backpack here. You could have either chosen the Moo Brie robe or the Unplugged Meditation Aromatherapy diffuser. I picked this, which was the middle priced item. The robe was $84, this was $75, and the diffuser was $55. I chose the backpack because I use a backpack right now, and it looks completely different. Actually, I should have read it. I didn't read it because I forget to do those things because of my illness. But I'm not a canvas type of bag person, but it is a very cute backpack. It does have adjustable straps, which would have to be mandatory, but what I can see, it looks as if these straps do not buckle, they just pull. So I can see that it would be very easy for this to maybe loosen up over time, but I do think it is a very, very cute bag, and this would be like perfect for the beach or something. I don't like the fastener on your back. It's easy to get in and out of, but if I don't use it, I will most definitely pass it on to somebody who will. The next item I chose is the Caress Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Cream. This weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. It throws me off because it says wild rose, and when you open it up and smell it, it does not smell like wild roses. It smells like fermented, like a fermenting wine. Like, I don't drink alcohol, but I have drank alcohol before, but I haven't touched alcohol, not a sip of alcohol in 18 years. And so, not even a sip. So, it smells like when a bottle of wine goes bad. So I'm not cray-cray about the smell, but the bottle is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure it's not going to stay like that. I'm sure it's a very beautiful looking, and let me tell you, it's full all the way up to the top of the jar, which I love, with no air bubbles. So I love that about them, and I thank them for that. Caress, snaps for you, babes, because I hate it when companies give you half full items. Now, the next item is either some copper-plated measuring spoons or an aromatic body lotion in mandarin orange and bergamot, or a mystery item. I opted for the mystery item because I have tons of hand creams and I have enough measuring spoons. I don't want them in my Fab Fit Fun. But I got the Flash mask set by Patchology. This is what the box looks like. I'm sorry I have to tilt it for you guys to see it. My camera is doing funky things lately. It is not wanting to get some focus in its life. I don't like it. It needs a lot of focus. But you get 4 masks, and we always love masks in this house, so that's a good thing. If I can't wear it, I use them. My kids will, because they love doing these masks. So I chose that. That was my mystery. Whoop, whoop. The next choice was either the 2 Bandits Athens necklace, Ciate London translucent setting powder, which I know you guys are going to be shocked I did not choose it, or this Sip by Eswell. And I chose the cup because my beautiful friend Tanya from California, Tanya in Cali, got me this cup, and I absolutely love it. Love you, Tanya. Thank you very much. She is so amazing. Brought me this goodie bag when we met to meet each other for the first time, and now I'm in love with these cups. So I was like, I don't care what size it is, that's what I'm getting. This will be something that I would take with me out because it doesn't hold a lot of liquid, but it'll fit in my car really well. So I absolutely am very excited about that. The last item of what you could choose from was the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, a Daily Concepts Detox Brush, or a jump rope. And I was like, I ain't gonna be jumping rope anytime soon while I'm in bed 6 days a week. So to that, plus I already have my own jump rope, because when my doctors send me to physical therapy, when things get really bad, I do physical therapy often. I have to have a jump rope or stretchy ropes, that you work your body with. So I have all that stuff already. I didn't need another set, and I don't need a detox brush for the shower. So I opted for the Tula cleanser, which I'm actually really excited to try, because I was using the $36 a bottle, which is way more than I can do right now, of the Youth to the People, and I just can't. I'm not going to keep paying that much money for cleanser. Unless I hit the lottery, baby, which I don't see in the foreseeable future since I don't buy lottery tickets. So, the last things everybody got in the bag, and that is the Wee Leave-In Conditioner, which I'm very excited about this. The Dr. Brandt's Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which I love that it came in the box. Thank you for that, Fab Fit Fun. I think that's very professional when things come in a box, and when they don't send it to you, it just looks kind of slipshod to me. And then the last thing was the Manicadar Champagne Body Scrub, which I'm actually, it's champagne body scrub, but it's got charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. I'm going to show you so you can see how much is missing out of the jar. You can clearly see it goes all the way to the lid right there. Like, that much is missing. Just kind of a bummer, but that tends to be the norm these days with all of these products. And I did get a few extras. I got the OMG Pulling Gel, which is for my kids to use for blackheads. I got the Cali Smooth as Butter Body Butter, which is organic and all natural ingredients with essential oils, which I really love. I got the Nodo Moisturizing Riser Cream, and I'm excited to try that. I do not appreciate that the box came jacked up and smashed. Like, it's really quite, it's very hard to see on here, but it looks very tacky. And it also has some weird yellow stuff on the bottom. I do believe I looked inside to make sure nothing was leaking. Yeah, and everything looks okay. This is what it looks like. It's a cute little packaging, actually. It's very full, and it's like a blue cream. It's very pretty when you look at it. It's like a really beautiful sky blue, like a true sky blue color. I'm excited to try it. And my favorite two things are the Skin & Co. This is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gamage, and this is the Ultra Pure Facial Oil, which this is like, oh my gosh. I already have put this on my hands today, and it goes in. It is like a dry oil, completely dry, even when you're just putting it on, and it just immediately goes into your skin. I love it, and it just made my hands go from dry and scaly and crackly to just looking so much better. So I'm absolutely so excited to try it. So I hope you guys love my Fab Fit Fun box. And I just wanted to show you, I am so excited about my flowers. Look what I did in my Sephora bag up there. I love those flowers in vases, and I have seen those for years. And every time I go to try to find them at Michael's or at Joann's, I can never find them. And I found them the other day when we went to go get a little foam thing for Savannah's sculpture project she's working on for school. And I found them on sale for 40% off, 45% off, and got them for my Sephora bag. And I love how it looks. But just thought I'd show you guys. But I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I love you, and I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.